What up, what up? Have you ever spilled Easy Sand 45 on your keyboard? Well, let me show you how to clean it right now. This keyboard has been due for cleaning since the last project I did involving drywall, and I'm finally getting around to cleaning it. It has dust, grime, cat hair, some drywall compound. Let's fix that. First things first, make sure you have the right supplies. You will need a towel, dish soap, a bowl for water, a measuring cup, cotton swabs, a keycap puller, and a bristle brush. I will use this cleaning kit and keycap puller that has brush attachments included. You can use my affiliate link down below. But anyways, before removing any keycaps, do yourself a favor, take a reference photo. This will save you time later on when you try to put the keys back in place. Okay, now it's time to start removing the keycaps. When removing the bigger keycaps such as space, shift, tab, and backspace, make sure you don't lose the stabilizer inserts that are attached to the bottom of the keycaps, which are like these little plastic hooks. When you're taking off the keycaps, what you'll notice is you'll have to detach these from like a metal bar or metal wire. Just make sure you don't break them or lose them. You might have to yank on them a little bit. My point is, if these fall off, it's not a big deal, but it is a big deal if you lose them. For the smaller keys, it's pretty straightforward. You just get the keycap puller and you pull it off. After taking off all the keycaps, you should discover a good amount of grime, dust, debris, and in my special case, drywall dust. Let's move on to the next step and clean the keycaps. You are going to want to pour 6 to 8 cups of warm water into a bowl and then add 1 to 5 drops of dish soap and stir it around. Then take all your keycaps, drop them in the soapy water, and let it sit for multiple hours until all the bubbles disappear, which should usually take 1 to 2 hours depending on how much soap you use. After the bubbles disappear, rinse the keycaps under cold water to remove any leftover soap. Then spread them out on a clean towel and let them air dry overnight. While those dry, let's clean the keyboard top case. First, make sure the keyboard is unplugged. Then use the brush to sweep around the switches, clear any dust, loose debris, any cat hair. With a smaller brush, go horizontally between each row on your keyboard, then vertically, and then use the bigger brush to catch any remaining hair. For cleaning specific spots that have stuck grime or things that won't come off, you can use a damp cotton swab to scrub them down. Repeat this process until you're satisfied. Now we're ready to reassemble. Before starting, I laid out all my keys below my keyboard to familiarize myself with the layout. Pay attention to the larger keys like spacebar, shift, and enter. Ensure that you're attaching the hooks to the stabilizers the correct way, or they won't feel normal, stable, and they will probably fall off eventually. For the smaller keys, all you have to do is put them in the right position, press down until they snap into place. Here's the before and after. Was it worth the additional work? Let me know. Comment below if you found this video helpful, or if you need help figuring things out, or if you have any other tech-related questions. Thank you for watching.